How to use live caption to automatically caption the speech when you show a video on your picture devices. Live caption is the very helpful feature when you watch a YouTube videos or any other video and you want to know the caption on the video. So let's see the live caption settings on your picture devices. Open the app drawer on your picture devices. Tap the settings app. Here you can search the live caption also or scroll down until the sound and vibration. Again scroll down until see the live caption. Here you can see the live caption automatically caption speech. Tap on it. Now you can see by default turn off the live caption feature on your picture devices. Live caption detects speech on your device and automatically generate the caption when you watch a video on your phone. Scroll down, make sure to toggle on this option. Now you can see the pop-up message. Live caption detects speech on device. When speech is captioned, this feature use additional battery. All audio and caption are processed locally and never leave the device. So tap on a got it to enable it on your device. Now you can see activate the live caption feature on your picture devices. Here you can see the different settings for the live caption. First of all, language and translation. Tap on it. Here you can select the language, caption language. Here you can need to download the language also. Ask to translate, automatically translate, don't translate. So if you want to use this feature, select the automatically translate on your device. Tap on OK. Here you can see French, ask to translate, automatically translate, don't translate. In which language you want to translate your caption. Here you need to select this language on your device. You can also tap on add a language. You want to translate speech, tap on add a language. Here you can see the list of available language to transfer your speech like a Chinese, German, Hindi, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Polish, Portuguese, Spanish, Turkish, Vietnamese. Currently only this language is available to caption your speech. At the bottom you can also find the translate caption too. Here you can select which language you translate your caption, your video caption. So select the language from the available list. Here you can find the same list. So go back. Here you can also enable suggest detected language, so it will automatically add the new language when available to in caption. Also select the caption preferences, how it looks when you play a video on your device. I toggle on this option. Here you can see caption size and style. Now here you can see how it look caption. You can ink small, large. Here you can see the large caption size, very large. This is the highest. You can select medium, small. Also caption style by white on black, yellow. Here you can see yellow and black. Custom, here you can set custom option like a font family, text color, text opacity, age type. So you can see customize different background color, background opacity, caption window color. All these options available if you select the caption style as a custom. Also select yellow on a blue like this. Also select a black on a white. So select the option you want to set on your device. My favorite is a yellow on a book, and we select the large option like this. So automatically you can see this caption size and style when you play a video on your device. So again go back. Here you can see the this is the most important option, live caption in volume control. So you can easily control live caption, turn on or turn off the live caption using volume up or volume down button. So make sure to go on live caption in volume control option on your device. Now long press the volume down button and you can see the caption icon. When you here you can see the live caption option. Just tap on it to enable it. Here you can see turn off the live caption. Just tap on it to turn on the live caption. So quite easy. So you make sure to go on this option, live caption in volume control. And the last you can see the live caption in call. You can also use live caption feature in your phone call also. Tap on a caption call. Here you can select ask every time, always or off. So select the your preferred option and a type response during the call. So this is the all live caption settings available on your Google Pixel 9a and the latest picture devices. That's it. If you like it, share it.